Let me introduce you to what might be the most effective weight management salad you will ever taste. This combination is not just food, it is a nutritional powerhouse designed to support your metabolism naturally. Toast 15 grams of white sesame seeds in a dry pan over a medium-low heat. Keep them moving until they turn a light golden color and become incredibly fragrant. This deepens their flavor dramatically. Transfer those warm toasted seeds to a small stone mortar. Crush them coarsely, then freshly cracked sesame releases oils and aromas that pre-ground versions simply cannot match. This is the soul of our dressing. Crumble 300 grams of warm, firm tofu with your hands into a large glass bowl. This rustic approach creates nooks and crannies that will better hold the dressing, ensuring every bite is full of flavor. Add 100 grams of freshly chopped chrysanthemum greens to the bowl with the tofu. Their slightly bitter, refreshing flavor is the perfect contrast to the rich, creamy tofu and sesame. Add 1 teaspoon, about 5 grams of finely minced garlic. This provides a gentle, aromatic kick that will cut through that richness and awaken all the other flavors in the salad. Season simply with a 3-gram pinch of flaky sea salt and a 10 milliliter drizzle of toasted sesame oil. These two elements are all you need to heighten the natural flavors already in the bowl. Toast everything gently but thoroughly with 2 spoons. You want each component to get coated evenly, creating a harmony of flavors and texture without losing the delicate greens. The result is a dish that is surprisingly satisfying and complex. You can see the crumbled tofu holding the dressing, the vibrant greens, and the spicks of toasted sesame throughout. It is a feast for the senses. What makes this so special for weight management? The high fiber content keeps you full, the plant-based protein supports muscle maintenance, and the combination works synergistically to help your body function at its best. This is not about deprivation, it is about giving your body exactly what it needs to thrive.